We extended our heartfelt welcome to Mr. Victor Praveen Kumar, AVP Diversity, Inclusion and CSR for his valuable contribution towards inclusive growth. Thank you, sir. Followed. Children's clap. Development through CSR initiative are deeply appreciated. Thank you, ma'am. To kindly honor our school heads with a memento. First, our Kadirvedi School HM Mrs. Muthu Mageshwari, Headmistress of Government High School Kadirvedi. Give them a applause. Now I request Mr. Palani sir, Physical Education teacher, to receive the memento on behalf of the Headmistress of Alapakam Government Higher Secondary School. Secondary School Mogaperu. This is the moment on behalf of the Headmistress of Pundamalli Government Higher Secondary School. Students clap. Madam, thank you. Once again, thank you for coming. Thank you for present here. To mark the beginning of our annual sports meet, we are delighted to present a Bharatanatyam dance. This classical dance reflects grace, energy and tradition. Let us welcome Kadirvedi School performance with a big round of applause. Vignesh, Bharatanatyam song. இங்கே இப்படி